Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the best products in the market. Today, we have a fantastic find for all you camping enthusiasts out there. The OXO Outdoor 5.5-inch Santoku knife with locking sheath. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know why this is the best camping knife you can get your hands on. Let's dive right in. The OXO Outdoor Santoku knife is designed with outdoor adventures in mind. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just cooking in the great outdoors, this knife is your perfect companion. It's made by OXO, a trusted brand known for its quality kitchen tools. Now, let's talk about what makes this knife stand out. First, it's a 5.5-inch Santoku knife, an Asian-style chef's knife known for its versatility. It excels at slicing, dicing, mincing, and even scooping. The blade is crafted from sharp Japanese stainless steel, which not only ensures precise cutting but also prevents food from sticking to it. That's a game changer when you're dealing with messy outdoor cooking. One of the standout features is the locking sheath that comes with it. This sheath not only keeps the knife safe but also helps retain the blade's sharp edge. Safety is paramount, especially when you're on a camping trip. Now, let's talk about the handle. It features a comfortable non-slip design, providing a secure grip even when your hands are wet, a crucial factor when you're out in nature. Taking care of this knife is a breeze. Just hand wash it with warm, soapy water, and promptly dry it. It's not dishwasher safe, but a little extra care goes a long way in maintaining its quality. In conclusion, the OXO Outdoor 5.5-inch Santoku knife with locking sheath is a must-have for anyone who loves camping and outdoor cooking. Its sharp blade, secure grip, and protective sheath make it the best camping knife available. If you're interested in purchasing this fantastic knife or exploring similar products, we've provided the link in the video description below. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us, and happy camping!